No, because first job ko was an editorial assistant
Wait, I watched this. I know your story.
for a publishing for a magazine. So we were told by the way na okay, you
You
go
had to show
to
up.
a hotel
Okay.
and then attend the event. Pero yung suot ko kasi, sinabi na sa amin 11 o'clock in the morning. Work starts at 9. So I'm not prepared. Take note, I'm 20 years old, fresh graduate. So ang suot ko, t-shirt. Kasi staff, di ba? Editorial assistant eh. So I'm wearing t-shirt and then jeans.
Okay.
And then the event in the hotel was, I think, 8 o'clock in the evening. So pumunta kami ng hotel, pinapasok ako sa ballroom.
Yes.
And then pagpasok ko ng ballroom, puro mga socialite.
The world of Ferdy.
The world of Ferdy.
Grabe ka.
mga CEO, ganyan. Buffet area na kasi sabi nung sige, kain na kayo dyan. May eto siya, then eto ako. Hawak ko yung plate ko, ganyan. Nakaganyan ako. Humingon siya sa akin, Sir, she's talking. Akala niya siguro yung kausap niya.
Siya.
Oo, nasa likod. What happened to...
Up and down.
Oh, wow!
What is he doing here? Gumanon!
To you?
Really?
Yeah.
Verbally?
Yeah, what is he doing here?
Out loud yan?
Pero, kwento ko lang. So, binalik ko yung plate. And then I told my boss, uwi na po ako kasi may emergency sa bahay. Kasi I cannot, the embarrassment eh.
Have you ever seen her again? Bump into the same person in the same circles?
I think yes. 3 beses.